am Dipanjan Maity. I am from a small town named Tonglu. It's in West Bengal. I did my master's in operations research, even though that is closely related to data analytics. But the thing is that course is purely theoretical oriented. For that reason, I wanted to learn more hands-on experience on different data analytics tools. So that was the main reason for me to join Masai School. Masai blessed me in many ways. Like Masai gave me the bilingual scholarship. I won the Zoom Marathons Challenge Season 1, and then I won the Construct Week Project Presentation Award. So it helped me a lot to gain some sort of confidence that helped me to crack several interviews after completing the course. The discipline. Like every time I have to submit my assignment within the limited time frame. Also, the attendance is a very big thing in Masai. The construct week, the project. So everything here at Masai is very much important. If anyone completed all of the things, I think he or she can easily crack any interviews. Masai will give you a lot of opportunities. Like in my time, I gave interviews for 15 different companies. But the thing is, you don't have to rely on Masai only. You can also find different companies by your own. Trust the process. Whatever Masai instructor, whatever assignment that was given to you, just complete it within that time. Definitely, if you completed all of the curriculum activities, cracking interview will be a very easy thing for you. And also Masai helped me to get this job.